Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. Yeah, today we had quite a bit of price action, yesterday actually, quite a bit of price action on the GALA chart. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's not a lot, and I know we all get excited these days when we have 2 to 3% of price movement. But yeah, we continue to be playing out currently here this scenario that we've been talking about. We had a 5-wave move to the upside into the June highs of the 10th of June low. Yeah, this is potentially bullish, potentially, because the move up is not an impulse. It's only a diagonal structure at best. In the worst case, it's just a correction, which could lead to another low. But so far, we can track a potential leading diagonal in what I have labeled here as a wave 1 in yellow. And then we had our flat structure, ABC, an expanded flat, reacted to the golden ratio, and we could have started now a third wave. Have we started? Unclear at this stage. I would rather say I'm very skeptical at this stage. I need to see more to really believe it, because this would really completely escalate and it would take price to 4 cents next if this is really a third wave rally which is starting. There isn't really anything else that we can say at this stage and that would add some more weight to the analysis and would give us further clues as to whether GALA has bottomed. I know everybody wants to know, okay, has GALA bottomed or not, because we had a reaction to the golden ratio and we have retraced in what potentially is a 3-wave correction, but it's just not it's just not enough price action to really confirm it. Because eventually what I need to see here is, first of all, a reaction to the support area, which we have seen, and then a break above the wave 1 high. And that is really the evidence we would need. At the moment, I am just skeptical, okay? I would rather say that we better wait a little bit to see if price can now break above, first of all, that wave 1 high. That would give us additional evidence, a break above 2.61 cents. But then it needs to break above the larger degree wave 1 at 2.84. As long as we don't do that, things are still potentially, this chart could still be potentially in a correction, and it would then just be an extended and more complex wave 2, for example, in a WXY structure, where this was a wave W, X, Y, and the Y wave an A, B, C. But this would be a very, very complex wave 2. And ideally, the low is already in. Or, yes, okay, if we come down lower and we're not holding the yesterday's low, yeah, then we could make another low, but then it should not break below 2.03 cents. This would all not be a problem. Also, the probabilities wouldn't really shift as long as we're holding the 2.03 cent level. As long as we're holding it, a third wave rally can be expected. There's often, the desire of people to know, which wave are we in. Now, we don't know, right? We only really know afterwards, but it's not about knowing it. What is important is to simply understand, where do we have reward and risk in a favorable condition, which was here in this support area. And then we just need to see if price can hold support or not. This would certainly be a high reward, low risk trade if it works out, because we know that below that 2.03 cent level, the setup is likely not going to work out. So the potential risk is quite low. The closer to that point an entry is made, the better the reward to risk ratio, because we're talking about price potentially going to 4 cents, right? So really good reward to risk, but of course only the universe knows if this support level is holding or not, and at the moment there's not enough price action to confirm that we have bottomed here. But it has done what it needs to do. It has retraced enough, and it has also shown us a pretty full ABC structure. So having a bit of patience, but I will keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.